Hi, I'm Lisa Oxton, the Beauty and Style Director of Marie Claire. Get flirty with golden eyes and pink on your lips and cheeks for this modern Midas touch look. Makeup artist Gina Kane shows us how using Estee Lauder.
Start by patting on an illuminating serum, followed by a tinted moisturiser. This will keep the skin looking fresh and youthful. Then add a touch of concealer where necessary. Dust shimmer powder where the light naturally hits the face, not forgetting the tops of the ears and the décolletage. Add a hint of pinky blush to the apples of the cheeks to give a youthful glow. Brows should stay natural, so simply brush up and set with a brow gel before applying a pinky blush all over the eye to act as a base. Use a gold cream eyeshadow along the lash line, taking it into the inner corner of the eyes. Finish with a black curling mascara on the top lashes, using a zigzag motion starting at the roots. Complete the Midas Touch look by applying a sheer pinky peach lipstick.